Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install roof rails on your Ford Puma.
Hello there, how are you? We got tons of things to talk about and stuff to do. We gotta take time and chill out. Tell me how you work, what you're all about, 'cause you're a great guy that's from outer space. I wanted to tell you that in so many different ways. You're calm and you're cool, wise as a book and sharp as a knife. Yeah, oh, I got it, I got it. You got it, oh, you got it, we got it, we got it. Yeah, baby, you say you love me right now. You should know how it feels. You should know exactly how it feels. You say you love me right now. You should know how it feels. Just wanna know exactly how you feel. And now it's here and it's ours to grasp. No time to wait, don't care about the future nor the past. Every single second we win will be priceless. On our adventure by the country lake. Watch this. Oh, I got it. I got it. You got it. Oh, you got it. We got it. We got it. Oh, baby, you say you love me right now. You should know how it feels. You should know exactly how it feels. You say you love me right now. You should know how it feels. Just wanna know exactly how you feel. You got it, oh, you got it, we got it, we got it, oh, baby, you say you love me right now. You should know how it feels. You should know exactly how it feels. You say you love me right now. You should know how it feels. Just wanna know exactly how you feel. Yeah.
Hi guys, a huge thanks for watching, and I hope you will give it a like or subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Yeah, thank you for watching.